Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to know the IP address of a website. There are many ways to find the IP address of a website. I'll discuss them. There are many online websites to find the IP address of a domain. Like example, whois.net, who.is, MX Toolbox. It's a very great. It consists very great tools which you can use for analysis of a domain. Apart from getting an IP address, you can get various other details about a domain. There's another website called GetIP which will tell you your own IP address along with the IP address of the domains you want to know. Let's use this website whois.net. Okay, it's taking some time to load. Okay, fine. For example, we want to know the IP address of, for example, say Facebook. So we'll type www.facebook.com. Okay, and okay, it's already registered. It You can see that the IP address of facebook.com is 69.31.121.196. Actually, these sites like Facebook, Google, Yahoo, they don't have a single IP address. They have a range of IP address because to manage such a big number of clients, they need to have a large number of servers. So they have a multiple domains like this 69.63.176.11. It's also the IP address of Facebook. These are also the IP address. Okay. Let me show you another website, MX Toolbox. Okay, it's mxtoolbox.com. Okay, you can use this website. For example, MX lookup is a common tool. For example, I've already checked for google.com. I'll do the MX lookup for this website. Okay, after this, okay, it will show me the details about google.com. This one is the DNS server name. If you want to know other details, you want to check for a port scan or DNS check, AAA lookup, backlist check, these are the popular these are the methods for the footprinting of website. I'll discuss these techniques in later on in my videos. So okay, as I have discussed about this website, I'll tell you one quick method to know the IP address of a website. Here you need not to open any website and type in the address of the website. All you have to do is just press Windows button plus R. Windows button plus R. Command prompt will open up. Open up the command prompt CMD. Okay, I'll discuss the two most common commands. One is called as ping. I'll type PING space followed by the name of website. Again, for example, I'll take google.com, www.google.com, enter. So on the very first line, I can see the IP address of Google. So basically this command is used to ping the web servers to check whether the connection is okay or not. Another command is called as tracer, TRACERT, space followed by the name of website, google.com. Press enter. Here also you can see the same IP address, but the command is different. This tracer command is used to check the hops, basically how you are connected to that website. Actually, whenever you connect to a website, or directly not connected to a server, first you connect to your local service provider, then you go to your metropolitan service provider, and followed by you make some hops around, I guess, 10 to 15 for a google.com. Then you go to the main website Google. Okay, I guess we are done. Okay, thank you very much.